Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. It's like 37 degrees. It's cold. It is. I took two orders today. I took a Spark for $20 and then a Grubhub for $12. So that makes $32, and that's completely bonus. I consider weekends, if I do turn the apps on, just bonus money. So I stopped by Apple Market. Let's see my sister's cat. I'm watching my sister's cat. Watch. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? My sister's selling her house, so while people come look at it, we don't want him to escape. You know how people have to leave the door open or whatever. So, but he just spent the night. My sister got an offer, and she's under contract already. So my sister's coming to pick the cat back up. It's for the better. Baby love just wants to be left alone. She's hiding now in the back room because this cat's here. You know, this cat's sweet as hell. But anyway, I went to Apple Market on Sunday. Seems to be one of the better days at Apple Market. And you don't want to go as soon as they open. You want to give them time to do the markdown. So like an hour after they open. They open at 7, maybe 8, 8:39, you go there. But I got a good little haul I'll show you guys. And then as I was delivering the Grubhub order by dumpster, look what I got. And look at his nosy ass, has to check it out. Look at it. It's actually a nice planter. It's very heavy duty. Seems to be an outdoor planter. But yeah, I'm gonna take it out to put some dirt in it and plant something in it. That was totally free. They had a fire pit, but I have a fire pit, so I didn't grab it. We'll let somebody else grab that. And they had some kind of toolbox for a truck. I didn't grab that either. It didn't look like in great shape. But hey, that was free, so we'll take it. But here, I'll show you the grocery haul. We got some good deals. And before I went, I told myself, Phineas, be picky. 99 cents only. 99 cents. Nothing else. I did go over on two things, but everything's pretty much 99 cents. I'll show you what I got. This is the only one that I'm not sure on. I'm not a picky eater. I think I like just about everything. And I've tried, they've had other dips. This dip's like $5, $6 usually. And I tried the other dips when they get marked down. I don't know if I like artichokes. I think it'd be fine because I'm not that picky, but we'll try it. But look what we got here. Here's one of the ones I went over 99 cents. And I never had smoked turkey franks. Like $6 normally, so we'll try it. But this is a real good deal. Almost everything for the freezer, and almost everything for 99 cents. But see, I figured I'd try this because I have crackers that I got. Let's see, where they at here? Because last time I bought the same brand dip, just different flavor. It was super good dip. But I got these a while back, the Ritz, but for $1. See, they wrote on the price tag, $1, which for Ritz is cheap. Hot honey flavored. So I think that'll be good with that, but we'll see. Oh, I got these the other day too. Remember combos? 99 cents. I bought a couple of these. But that's the haul I got. I thought we did pretty good. I didn't add it up. Oh, I paid about $18 for all this. I'll take you with me, but we're gonna go plant something in this planter today, some kind of food. We still have watermelon the plant. We still have, we can thin out a couple of the tomato plants and jalapeno plants. Once they get a little bigger, we can thin those out a little bit. And so we'll find something for this. But I should paint it first. Get all fancy. I'm so classy. Also, at the end of this, we'll go out there and plant some in that. And let's put this stuff in the freezer. Every bit of it goes in the freezer except the dip. So we'll go put that away. And see, she won't come out, but look, then we got baby love. I don't know why Baby Love's so scared. Baby Love is nice to other cats. She lived with another cat her whole life. That big fat cat is the sweetest thing you can ever find. They're both very nice to each other. If they just hang out for a second and sniff each other, it'd be fine. Alright, I want to show you guys, if you guys don't eat out much anymore and you wonder how much the prices are now, or that I picked up for delivery, that I found that pot by the dumpster. Let's go to that receipt real quick. Okay, so they got two iced teas, and I delivered them. They're like, let me show you how big they were. They are not large 44-ounce teas. They are two styrofoam small teas. Matter of fact, when they were in the drink carrier, they didn't even come over the side of the drink carrier. They're so small. Two teas, and teas are very cheap. Restaurants have high markup on teas, high profit. $7 for two, $3.50 a tea. And then, okay, so he got a double-decker club sandwich with coleslaw. That's $14. Okay, then we got macaroni and cheese and kids hash browns, two of those, $8 each. This order cost this guy, that's all. That's not a lot of food. It's a sandwich, some coleslaw, and two mac and cheeses for the kids, and two teas. $48.50. That is insane. That is, and I got paid $12 to order that, to deliver that. I got 12 something. So add $12 to that. That is a crazy way to spend money on a Sunday morning. That's a lot of money for not a lot of food. Anyway, I just had to show you guys that because I know a lot of you guys don't eat out that much. I don't either, and I'm always shocked to see the prices of this stuff. But let's go plant some in this pot I found. We put a watermelon in there. She's sunbathing. Where should I put this thing? Oh, it's heavy. Hold on. I guess we'll put it right there for now.